Hi viewers, welcome to our innovation. உங்களுக்கு எங்கள் வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கூடவே பெல் ஐக்கானும் சைடில் இருக்குது, ஸோ அதுவும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாச்சும் இந்த வீடியோவில் டவுட்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், நான் உங்களுக்கு கிளியர் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஸோ வாங்க நம்ம இந்த வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோவில் we are going to see numbers, unit 2 numbers. So first they are given travel through. Okay, so we are traveling inside the numbers. Students, please look at the picture. Look at the picture. They are given some questions, have to answer that. They are given flowers. So many flowers are there, no? So red color flowers, white color flowers, then a yellow with red flowers, rose, jasmine and like sunflower. Okay, so they are given so many flowers. Okay, so you have to first count what flower it is. Rose. So you have to count how many rose is there. So you have to count and write. Okay, so, you have to count and write. You have to write number and number name of flowers. So you have to count how many is there. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So 20 flower is there. So 20. Then you have to write number name 20. 20. So like that you have to count this flower and you have to write number plus number names. Okay, similarly they are given this flower also, so you have to count this also and have to write number and number names. So do by yourself. This is just we are recalling. This you have already learned in previous classes, that is in second standard itself you have learned. Now we are going to next. Fill in the blanks in each of the following figures with missing numbers. So you have to fill the boxes. You have to read and fill the boxes. First A. What is this number? 51. Yes. Next. So here, see here 51 they are given. Here 55. Here 60. So what comes after 51? 51. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, so after 51, 52. So 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So like that you have to fill all the boxes. Second one B is, see they are given 75, 77, 79. So what number will comes in between? 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Okay, do you understand? 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. This and all simple one you have learned in second standard itself. Okay. Children, see here, complete this tree. Look at the picture and say what number will comes next. Okay, so first 5 they are given, then 10. Next, what number will comes in between 10 and 20? So in between 10 and 20 what number will comes? They are given 5. So what? 15. So 10, 15, 20. Here what will comes? Yes, very good, 25. So skip counting 5s. You have to skip it as 5s. Okay. Skip counting 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay? Do you understand? Come, go to next. Complete the given facts by placing plus for addition and for minus for subtraction. Okay? Children, see here. What symbol have to place? Whether it is plus or minus. Count and say. 9 plus 3. So 9 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12. What answer they are given? 12. So you have to put plus. See here. So you have to put in between plus. Okay. On the dash you have to put plus. Then 80, 11. So they are given 80, 11. So what you have to do? Whether it is plus or minus. First you have to do plus. Suppose if the answer is wrong, then go to subtraction, minus. Okay. So first you have to do addition. So 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. 8 plus 1, 8, 9. So 91. See whether the answer is correct or wrong. Yes, correct. So what symbol you have to put? Plus. Okay. Next one. So 56, 21. What have to do? See here. 56, 21. As I said, first do plus. 6 plus 1, 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. See here. See the answer. Whether it is correct or wrong. Oh, wrong. So, we have done plus. But the answer is wrong. Then go to minus. Go to subtraction. Okay. 56, 21. Subtract it. Minus. So 6 minus 1. 6 in the mind. 1 in the finger. Before 6, 5. This you have learned in second standard itself, no? Subtraction. 6 in the mind. 1 in the finger. 1 in the finger. Before 6. 6 before what it will comes? Before 6, 5. So 5. Same wise 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 2 in the finger. Before 5, 4, 3. So 35. Which is correct? Whether it is addition 77 or minus 35. Which is correct? Which symbol you have to put? Yes, minus. So like that 92, 20. What it will comes? So 92, 20. Add it. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 2, 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11. 11. Then 112. Whether the answer is correct or wrong? Oh, wrong. Next we have to go to subtraction. Subtract the number, children. So 2 minus 0, 2. So whether if you are subtracting or adding, you will get the same number. Okay. 2 minus 0, 2. 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. For subtraction, you have to use before. So before 9, 8, 7. What number comes? 7. So 72. Which answer is correct? This or this? Yes, very good. This is correct. So here you have to put minus. So like that, 12 minus 3. This is small number. You can do in your mind itself. 12 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Before 12, 11, 10, 9. So the answer is 9. So you have to put subtraction. Then 70. This is big number, no? You have to do it in the side. You have to do at the side. Okay. This is a big number. So you have to do at the side. First add 5 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 7 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 balance 1 upside. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 92. So which is correct? 92. So you have to put plus. Students, have any doubt? Please work out this in your home. Okay. So work out all the problems in your home. So students, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.